My topic is joint family and nuclear family. In a joint family, parents, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and their children live in one. This solar system. There are nine planets: Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune, Uranus. Types of media and the latest generation. There are some types of media such as print media, broadcast media, digital media, direct advertising media. Broadcasting media example is TV, radio. Digital media example is what are all things that are work with data. So my name is T.S. Vetrivelov. This is about stone tool of early humans. This is axe. It is used for hunting animals and chopping meat. It is also used for cutting trees. Solar system. It has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Studying 6th standard D section, the 8-point compass: north, south, east, and west. Northeast, northwest, southeast, southwest. Thank you, sir. And this is my project, sir. This is ancient house, and this is a example of archaeological evidence, sir. Today, which I have brought is the invention of the wheel, sir. The invention of the wheel was a major landmark in the history of human civilization, sir. The invention of the wheel was made life easier and more comfortable for the early humans, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
Project name is Joint Family and Nuclear Family, sir. In joint family, there are 8 members, sir. The grandfather doing work, sir. The nuclear family, there are 4 members, sir. The father and son was talking, sir, and the child is playing, sir. The mother going outside, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
6th standard D section, sir. This is our solar system, sir. There are 8 planets in the solar system, sir.